Hello students, good afternoon. I hope all of you are fine. Today we are not going to discuss our unit 4 of English 1. Today we are going to discuss our unit test 1 and unit test 2 papers which we have conducted, right? So for English 1, unit test 1 and unit test 2 we are going to discuss here. Okay. What I will do, I will first select all the answer, then I will submit and we will cross check which are the answer are correct, right? So select the correct rhyming set. So rhyming, you know what is the rhyming word. So we need to select the rhyming set of size wise, cat, shark, that homework. So the correct one is the size wise, right? Let's see question number 2, that Patrick always did homework. It is false. Patrick never did homework. If you remember the Patrick story, who did Patrick homework, then you can get this answer. This is false. Then question 3. Cloth used for washing dishes is called dishcloth. Right? We call it as a dishcloth. So this is the correct answer. What was Patrick's chief interest? If you remember this story, what was a Patrick interest? To play football, hockey, cricket, video games, all of this his chief interest. So answer will be all of the above. That should be the answer. Then question 5. What it is that fill in the blank with appropriate word. When it comes to maths, Patrick was blank space. So we need to fill in with appropriate words. So Patrick was mystery, inner luck, out of luck or look up. That is out of luck, right? From story it is this question is made. So then when it comes to math, Patrick was out of luck. Now question 6. What made Patrick believe that he was lucky? Something made Patrick believe that he was lucky. What it was? Because he did all his homework. That is wrong. Right? Because Alf was going to play with him. That is also wrong. Because Tiny Man agreed to do all his homework. Because he got A's without doing homework. So the correct answer is C. Because Tiny Man agreed to do all his homework. That's why Patrick felt that he was lucky. That should be the answer, right? Sorry. Yeah. Let's see question number 7. What it says. Let me show. Yeah. Something dull and uninteresting means something is not a dull. It is dull and not that much interesting. That means drag. Something you are dragging. So the answer is a drag. If you know the new words and spelling words, you can get this answer easily. Now question 8. What changes came in Patrick's behavior in the end? What kind of changes came in the end? So Patrick became foolish, Patrick became model boy, Patrick became rude. Which will be the correct answer? So the correct answer will be probably Patrick became model boy, right? So in the end of the story, Patrick became model boy. That is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's see the next question. That is, what was Patrick's wish? So Patrick had some wish, right? To the out. So what it was? So Patrick wanted the little man to do all his homework. Patrick wanted the little man to play with him. Patrick wanted the little man to come along with him to school. All of the above. So the correct answer will be what it can be. Correct answer is the Patrick wanted the little man to do all his homework. So that is the correct answer. Right? Let's see question number 10, that is Patrick's cat was playing with blank space. Patrick's cat playing with Patrick TT doll or tiniest size man. So the correct answer is tiniest size man. That will be the correct answer. Now question number 11, that choose the appropriate word to fill in the blanks. We are going to fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. So which is the answer? So I saw my friend running, blank space the field. Blank space the field. So which will be the correct? So the correct answer is across the field, right? I saw my friend running across the field. So that will be the correct answer. So across is the right answer. Now question 12. A house is made of, if you remember the poem, what it was? A house, a home, right? If you remember the poem, you can get this answer. A house is made of brick, stone, hardwood, all of the above. See, the answer will be all of the above. Now question number 13. Choose the appropriate word to fill in the blank. Here we want to fill in the blank, so we need to choose the appropriate word for it. Okay. So the little man's face, blank space, like a dish cloth thrown in a hamper. This is from a story only. If you remember some of the part of the phrase, you can easily get the answer. Okay. The little man's face wrinkled like a dish cloth, right? This is we have understood in a while discussing the story. So wrinkled is the correct. Wrinkled like a dish cloth thrown in hamper. From here also dish cloth thrown in hamper. There also you can get this. That wrinkle will be the correct answer. Now let's see the question number 14. That how did Patrick help the little elf? See, in the story you remember that elf helped the Patrick, but how Patrick helped the elf? That Patrick helped the elf teaching how to play a hockey game. Never helped a little elf. Option C is Patrick had sat beside the little man, guide him how to do homework. None of the above. So the answer C is the right because Patrick sat beside the little man and guide him how to do his homework. Correct? So this way Patrick helped the little elf. Now question 15, that gave a short high pitched cry. You are crying with short high pitch, that we call it as a, what do we call? Shriek. That we call it as a shriek. That is the correct answer. Now let's see question 16. A house has unselfish act, sharing, stucco, all of the above. So the correct answer is stucco. A house has stucco. Who do you think did Patrick's homework? So in the story, in the end of the story, what do you think that who did this homework of Patrick? Did a little man, Patrick Katz, Patrick himself? The answer will be Patrick himself did that homework. Who wrote the story? Who did Patrick's homework? Who wrote the story? Who did Patrick's homework? Carol Murray, J. Will Ahmed, Lauren M. Hulley, Eleanor Ferrier. So the correct answer will be Carol Murray wrote the Patrick's homework Who did Patrick's homework? Story. Okay. Let's see question number 19. A home is made by bricks, family members, stones or hardwood. So home is made by family members. So that is the correct answer. And the next question number 20. How many days did Patrick ask him to do his homework? How many days Patrick asked that help to do his homework? That is 35 days. Right? In the story itself that 35 days was mentioned. So 35 days is the correct answer. This one. Yeah. Question number 21. Who was the little man? The little man was Anal. The correct answer is Anal. Who wrote A House, a Home? Who wrote that poem, House, a Home? The Lauren M. Hulley wrote the House, a Home. If you remember this, you can give this answer. It is not at all difficult. And the question number 23, a house has unselfish act, sharing, caring for the loved ones. So what will be the answer? All of the above. Okay. So here it should be a home has. Okay. I think it is misprinted. Yeah. So it will be a home. Okay. So here, yeah. A home has unselfish act, sharing, caring, loved ones. Okay, that is the correct answer. Okay, so let me check. Okay, let's see the further. I think page loading issue is there. Okay, when we will see the result, you will get the correct answer there. It will be a home. What warning did the teacher give to the Patrick? Question number 24. They warned him that he would remain a wise person. They warned him that he would remain a literate person. They warned him that he would remain fool and illiterate person. They warned him that he would remain brilliant person. So you see here, question option 1, 2 and 4 are looks same. And you can, from story itself, you can identify that they warned him that he would remain a fool and illiterate person. So that is the correct answer. And the last one is question 25. Choose the appropriate word to fill in the blank. Blank space. The app began to help Patrick. True to his word, right? This is the from story itself. So the answer should be, what will be the answer here? True to his word, right? That has to be the answer. Yeah. Choose the appropriate word to fill in the blank. That blank space. The elf began to help Patrick. True to his word, the elf began to help Patrick. Out of luck is wrong. Course also wrong. Look up. The elf began to help Patrick. So true to his word. That is the correct answer. So let's submit this. Okay. And we'll get the answer which are the correct. Okay. Okay. Let's check the score. So I got 25 out of 25. Right. It means I have selected all the correct answer. So let's see again what are the answers there. Select the correct rhyming set, that is size wise. Patrick always read homework, that is false. A cloth used for washing dishes is called dishcloth. What was Patrick's chief interest? That is to play game, video, football, hockey, right? Then, when it comes to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What made Patrick believe that he was lucky? That because Tiny Man agreed to do all his homework, right? Something dull and uninteresting means brag. What changes came in Patrick's behavior in the end? Patrick became model boy. What was Patrick's wish? Patrick wanted the little man to do all his homework, right? Patrick's cat was playing with tiniest size man. And I saw my friend running blank space the field across the field. That is the correct one. A house is made of brick, stone, hard, and wood. Choose the appropriate word to fill in the blank. The little man face like a disc thrown in the hamper. That is sprinkle like a disc thrown in a hamper. How did Patrick help the little elf? Patrick sat beside the little man and guided him how to do homework. Give a short high pitched cry means shirt. A house has stucco. A house has stucco. Who do you think did Patrick's homework? So Patrick himself. Who wrote the story? Who did Patrick's homework? Carol Murray. Right? Carol Murray. A home is made by family member. How many days did Patrick ask him to do his homework? That is 35 days. Who was the little man? That is an elf. Who wrote the house a home? Lauren M. Hully wrote this. A home has here you see in a paper it was since that is a house. That was I think some glitch was there. The correct question should be a home has. Unselfish act, sharing, caring for the loved ones. That is all of the above is the answer. What warning did the teacher give to the Patrick? They were in that he would remain a fool and illiterate person. And the last one is choose the appropriate word to fill in the blanks. The elf began to help Patrick. True to his word, the elf began to help Patrick. Okay, so here we have finished our unit test 1. Let's see our unit test 2 paper. Okay, yes, here it is. So let's see for this. Let's start with question 1. What sort of life did dog live a long time ago? So what kind of dog were servant or dog choose beer as a master, dog were once their own master, or none of the above? So the answer should be dog were once their own master. That is the correct answer. Okay. Select the correct rhyming word said from the given options. So the correct rhyming word said from the given options could would, wax, bed, chop fast, day last. So the correct answer will be could would. Could would is the correct answer. Who wrote the poem The Kite? Tero, Eleanor Ferrion, M. Hully or Harry Benn? So the answer should be Harry Benn wrote the poem The Kite. Okay. Tero earned very little money because why? Because Tero was working very hard, but he was getting less money because the price of wood was very low. So that will be the correct answer. Who was Tero? In the story, this is the starting of the story. You can easily get this answer. A young woodcutter. Right? Yes. Choose the conventional meaning for the word quarrel. So quarrel, what is the meaning of quarrel? A heated argument, happily said or ligament. So the answer should be a heated argument, we call it as a quarrel. So this is the correct answer. If you remember the new words and spelling words, you can get this answer easily. Now question 7. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. So blank space A of ships. So this is one kind of a collective noun answer. So what will be a fleet of ships, right? When more than one ships are there, we call it as a fleet. So a fleet of ships is the correct answer. Now question 8. What it is? Who did the dog finally choose as his master? Wolf, lion, bear, or man? Finally choose his master. So finally dog choose man as his master, right? Now the little man didn't grant Patrick a wish. Is it true or false? So this is false, right? Because little man grant Patrick a wish. Question 10. Frightening means getting afraid, right? That we call it as a frightening. So kinsman, frightening means kinsman also is there. So the answer is kinsman. Who was afraid of bear? From bear, who is getting afraid? That is wolf was, right? The wolf is the correct answer. This mad terror was sadder than ever. This refers to, if you remember the story or in the exercise itself, this answer is given. So, this made Taro sadder than ever. This refers to Taro's father, old age, the most beautiful fountain in city, a strong wing that begins to grow. Taro's inability to buy expensive sack for his father. This is not a sack, it's a fave. So the answer will be, this made Taro sadder than ever. Taro's father's old age, Taro's inability to buy expensive fave for his father. Which one is the correct answer? Think of it. So the answer is Taro's inability to buy expensive fave for his father. This is the correct answer. Okay. Let's see question 13. How many pieces of gold Taro received from the Emperor of Japan? Okay. So the answer will be 10 pieces, 5 pieces, 20 pieces or 15. So 20 pieces is the correct answer. What warning did the teachers give to Patrick? They warned him that he could remain a fool and illiterate person. They warned him that he would remain a wise person. So the answer, this is a I think question from first one only is taken, unit test 1. You can get this answer easily. The answer is first one. They warned him that he could remain fool and illiterate person. Now let's see question number 15. Who shouted that we have been tricked? Taro, old lady, villagers or emperor of Japan? So the answer is villagers, right? Question number 16. Can't you see there is a bear out there and he might eat up both us? Who said the given sentence? That is the wolf said this sentence, right? So wolf is the correct answer. Pitcher means took some water in his hand, a pot usually made up of mud, went to a narrow gaps. So the correct answer should be pitcher means that is a pot usually made up of mud, that we call it as a pitcher. Now fill in the blank. Taro started for work even then morning before, that is early. Early is the correct answer. So this is the right answer. Question number 19. Patrick never did homework. That is true, right? Patrick never did homework. That is the true one. Then next question 20. Who wrote the poem The Quarrel? Quarrel is written by Eleanor Ferrion. Eleanor Ferrion wrote The Quarrel. Question number 21. Why did the dog say goodbye to the lion? If you remember the story, in the end, dog said goodbye to the lion. Why did he? The dog noticed that the elf was afraid of the bear. The dog noticed that the bear was afraid of the lion. The dog noticed that the lion was afraid of man. Right? So the answer will be this one. The dog noticed that the lion was afraid of man. What was Patrick's chief interest? Patrick had some chief interest. What it was? Studying, doing homework, play football, and Nintendo. So the answer will be playing football and Nintendo. That is the answer. Now, question number 23. Select the opposite word for the following word. Descendant. Right? Opposite word of descendant, that is ancient. It has to be ancient or ancestor. Which one? Ancestor. Ancestor is the correct answer. Okay. If this exercise we have done in exercise, you can easily get this answer. Tero was a thoughtful son, loving son, efficient, trustworthy. So the answer is thoughtful son. And the last question is, dog is man's most dependable servant. True, false, or none of the above. So that sentence is true. Right? I have selected the options. Now let's see the solution. Okay, let's see here. I have submitted and I got 25 out of 25. It means I have selected all the correct answer. Okay, sorry. Let's see the answer. What sort of life did dog live a long time ago? That is, dogs were once their own masters. Select the correct rhyming word set from the given option, that is could, would. Who wrote the poem The Kite? That is Harry Bear. Tero earned very little money because the price of wood was very low. Who was Tero? A young wood cutter. Choose the conventional meaning for the word quarrel, that is a heated argument. That is the correct one, right? Fill in the blank with the appropriate word. A fleet of ships. Who did the dog finally choose as his master? That is man. This is from story itself you get this answer. The little man didn't grant Patrick wish. That is false. The little man grant the Patrick wish. Frightening means kinsman. Kinsman we call it as a frightening. Who can kill you like that way. Who was afraid of the bear? Wolf was afraid of the bear. This made Tero sadder than ever. This refers to Tero's inability to buy expensive pave for his father. That is the correct answer. How many pieces of gold Tero received from the emperor? 20 pieces of gold Tero received from the emperor. What warning did the teacher give to Patrick? This is the previous one only. From unit test 1 you can see they warned him that he would remain a fool. He would remain a fool and illiterate person. Who shouted that we have been tricked? Villagers shouted that we have been tricked in the story of Tero's reward. Can't you see there is a bear out there and he might eat up both of us? Who said given sentence? This sentence is said by wolf. Okay. Pitcher means pot which is made up of mud. A pot usually made up of mud, we call it as a pitcher. Fill in the blank. Tero started for work even blank space than the morning before. Earlier than the morning before. Patrick never did homework. That is true. Who wrote the poem The Quarrel? The poem The Quarrel is written by Eleanor Barrow. Then question number 20. Why did the dog say goodbye to the lion? The dog noticed that the lion was afraid of man. That's why the dog said goodbye to the lion. What was Patrick's chief interest? Patrick's chief interest was play football and Nintendo. That means play a game. Select the opposite word for the following word descendant. So exactly descendant means modern, and modern it's called upcoming, and opposite is ancestor, that is old. So ancestor is the correct one. Tero was a thoughtful son. Dog is man's most dependable servant. That is a true. Okay, so here I have solved all the unit test 1 and unit test 2. I hope all of you find this very well. If you have doubt, you can ask me. Next lecture, we will see our unit 4. Okay, and new spelling words also we will see. Okay, fine. Thank you.